Hello, today I would be talking about the recruitment process for freshers of Persistent Systems. So, Persistent last year they offered three packages for freshers. One is we can call it as a base package. Base package was somewhere around 5 lakh rupees per annum. Then they also hired for a higher package, which was in the range 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. And we can say a third package, which was ultra high package, which was of the range around 12 lakhs per annum. So the recruitment process, the very first round in the recruitment process, it is called as PQT, or you can say it is persistent qualifier test. It is a machine test. Those who are not selected in PQT, by not selected means persistent would set some cutoff, and those who do not meet that cutoff, they would be outright rejected. Generally, it is found that around 30 to 35% people clear the PQT of all those who are appearing for that test. Now, those who clear the PQT, amongst those, there is a upper cutoff. That upper cutoff, those people, they are eligible for a higher package as well. So we can categorize those people as toppers and non-toppers. So for non-toppers, they are only eligible for the base package, which is around 5 lakhs. So the non-toppers, they would first go into a level 1 round of technical interview. If they clear it, they would go into level 2 round of technical interview. If they clear it, they would be eligible for HR round. And if they clear that round, they would be selected with the base package. For the toppers, they have to undergo another test which is called as advanced coding test. Those who clear the advanced coding test, they are eligible for the higher package of the range 7 lakhs to 9 lakh rupees per annum. They also need to go through the level 1 round, the level 2 round. Again, both these rounds are technical rounds, and then the HR round. And if they get selected in all the three, then, or if they clear all the three rounds, right, they would be eligible for the higher package. Right, they would also be, if they do not clear one of these rounds, they can still be eligible for the base package. Also, for the ultra high package, let's say if the technical panel, if it recommends some candidate, which is a very minute number, if they recommend some candidates for a higher level package or even or ultra level package, then those candidates, they have to undergo another round of a coding test. That this test is much more difficult than the previous tests. If they clear that test, then those guys, they are eligible for the third round of technical interview. And if they clear that round, only then they would be eligible for higher package. So it is very important for each of the students to know in advance what is the exact selection process, so that they can start preparing for those processes, and they'll be able to clear those rounds. Thank you.